Hi children, we meet again today. Today I want to go on to a new lesson by the name of Indices. I think you would have done. I think you would have done a little on this topic in your earlier classes, 8 and so on and all that. So today I want to do a revision first and then go on to the lesson. Now, what is indices? Indices means powers. Now, for example, suppose you have 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 means we write like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. When you multiply 2 5 times, we write that 2 to the power of this power is 5. You write the 5 above. It's called a power. So if we write minus 3 to the power of 2, that means minus 3 into minus 3. Look at the minus 4 cubed. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. And 2/3 squared. Look at this one. 2/3 squared. What does it mean? That is 2/3 into 2/3 into 2/3. You have to multiply 3 times. Squared is called squared. Okay. Supposing we have 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2. Now, when you expand this, it will come as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, we have to write 5 2's. So then finally the answer will be 2 to the power of 5. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 square means 2 into 2 into 2. So altogether there are 5 2's. So we write it as 5 2 to the power of 5. So you would have noticed now that when it is 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2, there are altogether 5 2's. So immediately we can write 2 to the power of 5. How does this 5 come? We add the powers. So rule is there, when we multiply, we add the powers. 3 plus 2, 5. We'll take another example. Look at this. X to the power of 3 into x to the power of 2. So 5. So we need not go on writing x, 3x is here and 5x is here. Immediately we add the powers and put 5 plus 3 equals 8. We can add from the mind. Look at this one. A squared into a cubed into a. What's the answer here? We have to add the powers. Power here 2, power here 3, and what is the power here? Power here is 1. We don't write that one. Many children don't know that there is 1 here and they just omit that. So there is 1 here, you must know that. So the power is 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 8 to the power of 6. 8 to the power of 6 there. So we'll take another example. Look at this one. 5p cubed into 3p squared. So all these places we had the power, the coefficient as 1. But here we have 5p cubed and 3p squared. So how to multiply this? First of all, you have to multiply these numbers. 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And p cubed into p squared will be, we have to add the powers, p to the power of 5. It's all simple. You have to only do it methodically. Now we multiply 5 and 3. 5 3 are 15. And p cubed into p squared. P cubed into p squared. We add the powers, p to the power of 5. We'll take another example. 3a squared into 4a. Now here the number 3a squared, the coefficient 3 and 4, you have to multiply as, make it as 12. Then a squared into a. Now we know that there is 1 here. So a squared into a, we add the power 2 and 1, 3. So 8 to the power of 3. So when you multiply 3a squared and 4a, it is coming to 3 4 are 12, 8 to the power of 3. We'll take one more example. Look at this. Here we have x and y. So what the method to do, easiest method to do will be some children adopt. We collect the like terms together. We take x squared into x to the power of 4 together and y squared into y to the power of 3 together. Now it's easy. It looks simple also. So here when you multiply x squared and x to the power of 4, the answer equals x to the power of 6. And y squared and y squared will be y to the power of, sorry, y to the power of 3 here. Y square and y cube will be y to the power of 5. So the answer here is the sum is x squared, y squared, x to the power of 4, y cube. We collect the like terms together. So x squared and x to the power of 4 and y squared and y cubed. So when you multiply x squared and x to the power of 4, you get x to the power of 6 and y squared and y cubed, y to the power of 5. We'll take one more example. Right, look at this. 2m squared into 3n cubed into m to the power of 5 into 2n squared. We'll take the like terms together. So 2m squared into m to the power of 5 into 3n cubed into 2n to the power of 6. Now we have correct the like terms. Now we multiply these two. When you multiply these two, we get 2 m squared and m to the power of will be m to the power of 7 into, we have 3 times 2, 6 into the power of 3 and 6, 9. So what you have to learn in this children is, that you can't join m and n. M has to go separately and n has to go separately. So here 2 to the power of 2 into m to the power of 7 into 6, 3 to the 6 n to the power of 9. Okay. We'll take one more example. Evaluate, find the value. Look at this. 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2. We have to find the value. Now we know that through indices rule, when we multiply, we have to add the powers. That is 2 to the power of 5. But you have to be very careful that it must be a like term. Now you can't a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 2, we can't multiply. They are same because a and b two unlike terms. So if it is the like terms only, you can add. So 2 to the power of 5. Now 2 to the power of 5 is how? What is the value of 2 to the power of that? 2 multiplied 5 times. Now you must memorize some of these values so that because they come in very often. 2 to the power of 5, you can write down 2's like this and multiply on your hand, even you can multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 6 to 9 to 32. So better to memorize the number 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. We'll take another example. 7 into 7 squared. That is equal to 7 to the power of 3. That is 7 multiplied 3 times. How? 7 times 7, 49. 49 multiplied by 7. 7 9, 63, 6 over 34. 346. Equals 346. We'll take another example. 5 squared into 5 squared. That is equal to 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 will be 5, 5, 5, 5. That is 5 by the 25, 25, 25. So you must know the squares of numbers. 25 and 25 is equal to 625. So 5 squared into 5 squared will be 5 to the power of 4. 5 multiplied 4 times. 5 by the 25, 5 by the 25, 25 and 25, 625. One more example we'll take. 3 to the 4 into 3 to the power of 2. That is equal to 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 6. How to get that? Three you have to multiply 6 times. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So you can, this is 9, this is also 9, this is also 9. So 9 and 81. 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9, 720. Now you can multiply like that. 729. How did we multiply? 3 multiplies 6 times. Here, 6 times we have written. So we multiply 2 by 2. 3 these are 9, 3 these are 9, 3 these are 9. Then 9 times 9, 81. Then into 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 72. 9 72. So these finding the value of the indices numbers. So these are for today, children. I hope you like the lesson. Please subscribe if you have liked it.